Immobiliser fitting is a 2016 Discovery 4 protected with Starline Pro. So if a thief got the key, done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start. So with the customer, they can choose from a tag, they can use a code, or they can pair their phone. With the tag, we'll just pop the battery in, they can just start the car, it disarms, they can drive away. Obviously they can use their phone for exactly the same thing. If we pop the battery out of the tag, say the battery's gone flat, we don't have our phone on us, we want to drive the vehicle, what we can do is use a unique code on the factory buttons of the vehicle to prove that it's us and drive away. To do that, foot off the brake, tap the start button, we'll do a code. For now we just have 1, 2, 3, wait for a tone, foot on the brake, we can start the vehicle and we can drive away. With this system, you can set your own code between 3 and 21 presses in any order you choose. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Starline Pro on a Discovery 4. If a thief got the key, it's just not going to start up. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.